Hi, I am Roxana from VP Estate, and in this video I will show how to manage colors in the VP Rentals theme. If you import a demo, the color scheme from that demo will apply, but you can easily replace demo colors with your own using theme options. The colors can be managed from theme options design. In the custom color settings, you can manage most of the colors. First, you need to make sure that this option remains unticked for the colors that you add here to apply, and here you'll have the option to set main color, background color, and many other colors. On this domain, purple is the main color that was imported with the demo. So to change demo colors, you just need to fill in your color code and save changes. On front end, after refresh, you will see that the places where the main color applies will change. You will see that this button color, the icons, title, price, and many other elements color changed. And also in the listing page, on refresh, you will see the new color. In the custom color settings, you will have other options, for example, to change background color, breadcrumbs, font, link, heading, and other colors. In the design section, you will have color options for other sections. You will also have controls for the sidebar colors. You can change the colors here. This is the color for background, this is for heading, and this is for font. I added these colors, point the difference. And now on refresh, the colors for the sidebar have been changed. Going further, you'll have options for the boxed content background and for border colors. In calendar colors, you can set custom colors for your calendar. The first color will apply as background for the booked dates in the calendar. The second color will be for the font color, and the third color will be for external bookings in all-in-one calendar page. The external bookings are the ones that are imported with iCalendar feeds. I will save the changes, and now on refresh, the booked days will be marked with the green color, as you can see it here. The font color will be yellow. The same will apply in the booking form, and the third color will be visible for the bookings imported. Going back to theme options, under font section, you'll have the option to set the font color for the main font used in your site. You'll also have the option to change colors for header. You'll have here header menu colors, top bar colors, and mobile menu colors. You can replace here background font that will apply for the header section. Here you'll have colors for top bar and colors that will apply only for the mobile header. In footer section, you'll also have footer colors where you can set the colors that will apply only in the footer section. In email management, email settings, you'll have options to set the email background color and the email content background color. And in the search section, you can also manage the colors for the advanced search form. You can set a background color, opacity, the color for the search button, and for the search button hover color. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching.